Hello everyone! Today we will discuss how to gain maximum marks in mathematics. Here are some tips to help you achieve excellent results. 1. Stay updated. Keep yourself informed about the latest changes in the exam pattern. Understanding the latest concepts and techniques will help you perform better in the exam. 2. Develop strong basics. Gain a solid understanding of the fundamental concepts and formulae in mathematics. Don't be afraid to tackle complex problems, as solving them will help you build confidence. 3. Practice regularly. Practice makes perfect. Regular practice of past papers, quizzes, and exercises will help you improve your skills and identify areas where you need to focus. 4. Time management. Time management is crucial in mathematics. Make sure to allocate enough time for each topic and prioritize your tasks. Don't forget to leave enough time for the last few questions. 5. Prioritize. Focus on the most important topics and concepts. Don't spend too much time on less important ones. This will help you make effective use of your time and increase your chances of scoring higher marks. 6. Ask for help. Don't hesitate to ask for help if you're struggling with a particular problem. Teachers, friends, or even online resources can provide valuable insights and solutions. 7. Stay calm. Take deep breaths and stay calm during the exam. Breathe in slowly and exhale steadily to help you maintain focus. 8. Visualize success. Visualize yourself scoring maximal marks in the mathematics exam. This will boost your confidence and help you perform better. Remember, hard work pays off. By following these tips, you can improve your mathematics skills and secure excellent results in the exam. Good luck!